Today we're keeping the lights on with email hosting. This is one way to build trust for your business with professional emails. Now, what does this actually mean for businesses that are actually starting up their companies? Websites are not to be rushed unless your business is e-commerce. And that's very true. A landing page is all you need at this point. Buying a domain first, it should be priority. Now bear in mind that you need to keep the company moving unless it's an e-commerce store like Takealot or Amazon. Build a website that will attract customers, not coming soon pages that will be listed on your domain. Email hosting plans come with privacy protection, SSL certificates, spam filters, and no advertisements in your webmail inbox. Have you ever seen the adverts that actually appear on your free Gmail account? They're very annoying. Imagine the distractions that are actually there for your staff. The less distracted and exposed to these ad networks, the more productive they would be. Email hosting plans come with privacy protection. This means your company is safe from data collection, which is a huge problem amongst companies. Data brokers will create profiles on your staff and use their information as point of interest. Now these data points, they can be used in a large industry of marketing, coupled with machine learning and which specializes in recommender systems which are used by websites like Showmax and others to recommend specific movies that other people have watched that you might be interested in. Spam filters, on the other hand, they protect your business emails. And they have a quality score for checking the subjects of your emails to ensure that you do not get the 419 scams that are actually used by Nigerians. Protecting your customers and protecting your clients is very important. You need to keep the lights on with an email hosting plan. In order for your business to be safe, you need to ensure that all your staff sends out corresponding emails to clients, whether it is for promotional purposes or whether it's for other costs or marketing or other related correspondence out there. Registering and setting up an email hosting plan is very easy. One company that we have in mind to use as an example is domains.co.za. They have good features and good packages on this. They provide a lot of email accounts for your staff even if you are a startup company. So it is quite important to start sending out emails using your professional email address. Especially if you're going to add your business to business directories, you need to make sure that you are adding your professional business in order to get your business verified. Start building trust with clients. Get your professional email today.